Where do you usually have lunch with your friends?
We usually have lunch at a cafe near our office.
What do you like to eat when you're with your friends?
I like to eat sandwiches and fries with them.
Who often chooses the restaurant for lunch?
My best friend usually picks the place.
Where do you sit when the restaurant is crowded?
We try to find a quiet corner table.
How do you decide what to order together?
We look at the menu and pick what everyone likes.
What do you drink when having lunch with friends?
I usually have cold coffee or lemonade.
Who pays for lunch when you go out together?
We take turns paying each time we go out.
Where do you go for lunch on weekends?
We go to a park cafe or a small restaurant nearby.
How do you reach the restaurant with your friends?
We usually walk there from our office.
What do you talk about during lunch?
We talk about work, travel, and funny memories.
Who takes photos during lunch?
One of us always takes photos for fun.
Where do you keep your bags while eating?
We keep them on the chair beside us.
How do you split the bill after lunch?
We divide it equally among everyone.
What do you order if your friends want spicy food?
I order something mild to balance the meal.
Who brings extra snacks to share?
One of my friends always brings some snacks.
Where do you like to sit when eating outside?
I like to sit where there's fresh air and shade.
How do you choose a new place for lunch?
We check reviews online before going.
What do you do if someone arrives late?
We order drinks and wait for them to come.
Who orders first when you go out together?
Usually, the one who's most hungry orders first.
Where do you keep your phone during lunch?
I keep it on the table but on silent mode.
How do you share food with your friends?
We put everything in the center and share equally.
What do you do if the food is too salty?
We laugh about it and ask for something else.
Who gives food recommendations in your group?
My friend Sarah always knows what's best to order.
Where do you like to eat on special occasions?
We like to eat at a rooftop restaurant.
How do you manage the time for lunch breaks?
We plan it around everyone's schedule.
What do you do after finishing lunch?
We talk for a while and take group photos.
Who reminds everyone to meet for lunch?
I usually send a message in the group chat.
Where do you keep the leftovers after lunch?
We pack them to take home.
How do you react when the food tastes great?
We compliment the chef or post about it online.
What do you order if someone is vegetarian?
We order a few veggie dishes for them.
Who tells jokes during lunch?
My friend Ali always keeps us laughing.
Where do you usually park before lunch?
We park near the restaurant entrance.
How do you handle the bill when someone forgets their wallet?
We pay for them and joke about it later.
What do you do if someone spills a drink?
We help clean it and laugh about the mess.
Who takes care of ordering for the group?
The person sitting near the waiter does it.
Where do you find the best lunch deals?
We find them on food apps or social media.
How do you plan lunch during busy days?
We order ahead to save time.
What do you order when it's too hot outside?
We order cold salads and iced drinks.
Who brings dessert after lunch?
One of us usually brings some sweets to share.
Where do you like to sit when you eat indoors?
I like sitting near the window with natural light.
How do you celebrate birthdays during lunch?
We surprise a birthday friend with a small cake.
What do you order when you're all very hungry?
We order extra dishes and share them together.
Who helps you find a good place to eat?
My foodie friend always knows new spots.
Where do you prefer to eat during rainy days?
We eat at a cozy cafe nearby.
How do you divide food if portions are small?
We take small bites and make sure everyone gets some.
What do you do if someone doesn't like the food?
We let them order something else they enjoy.
Who usually arrives first at lunch?
I'm often the first one to reach.
Where do you keep your coats or bags while eating?
We hang them on the chair or coat rack.
How do you make lunch more fun with friends?
We play music and share funny stories.
What do you do when the service is slow?
We talk and joke to pass the time.
Who recommends the dessert menu?
My friend always checks the desserts first.
Where do you like to go for lunch after work?
We go to a nearby food street.
How do you plan lunch when everyone is broke?
We make sandwiches and eat in the park.
What do you order when you want something light?
I order soup or a salad.
Who shares food pictures online?
We all take turns posting them.
Where do you go when you want a quiet lunch?
We choose a small cafe with fewer people.
How do you decide the meeting time for lunch?
We pick a time that suits everyone's break.
What do you do when a friend can't come?
We order their favorite food and send them a photo.
Who makes lunch plans in your group?
Usually, the most organized friend plans it.
Where do you sit when eating with a big group?
We try to get a long table together.
How do you share drinks during lunch?
We order a big jug and share among us.
What do you do if the food arrives late?
We chat and wait patiently.
Who brings extra cutlery if needed?
The restaurant staff provides it when we ask.
Where do you find good lunch ideas?
We scroll through social media or food blogs.
How do you manage when someone is on a diet?
We order healthy options for them too.
What do you talk about after eating?
We usually talk about weekend plans.
Who always orders dessert first?
My friend Zane always does that.
Where do you sit if there's live music?
We sit near the band for fun.
How do you handle the noise in busy restaurants?
We speak louder or move to a quieter spot.
What do you order if someone wants something new?
We try the chef's special dish.
Who asks the waiter about food ingredients?
My health-conscious friend always does that.
Where do you prefer to eat when traveling?
We find a local restaurant with good reviews.
How do you take group photos after lunch?
We ask the waiter to take one for us.
What do you do if you forget your wallet?
My friends help me pay and I return it later.
Who loves to try new cuisines?
Almost everyone in our group loves trying new food.
Where do you like to eat on Fridays?
We go to our favorite rooftop cafe.
How do you handle food that's too spicy?
We order drinks or extra bread to cool it down.
What do you order when everyone wants something different?
We order a mix of dishes to share.
Who thanks the waiter after service?
We all thank them politely before leaving.
Where do you hang out after lunch?
We go for a short walk or have ice cream.
How do you pay if the card machine isn't working?
We pay in cash or use a payment app.
What do you order if you're in a hurry?
I order something quick like wraps or sandwiches.
Who finishes their food first?
My friend Ali always finishes first.
Where do you go when the usual place is closed?
We try a new restaurant nearby.
How do you make sure everyone enjoys lunch?
We let everyone pick what they want to eat.